everyone, and happy Woolly Wednesday. It's Marie here with all the fairies, and I don't know about you, but we're getting ready for Valentine's. We're so glad to have you here. We're ready for today's show, and to help us get things started, we're going to give away a prize from someone who commented on a recent video. Our winner today is Tammi Hanson. She left such a nice note after watching our holiday video saying she got lots of project ideas, and so we're so happy to pick her name today. And Tammi, you're going to be winning a prize. Thank you so much. And y'all can comment whether you're watching a live chat or down below. You always get entered to win prizes on the show. But without further ado, let's kick it off with some cheery cheer with our very funny fairy in the field, Fairy Kayla.
Hi there, felting friends. Fairy Kayla here. Now, I do have a joke planned for y'all, but I just wanted to pop in really quick with a special fairy shout out. And this fairy shout out is going to Isabel in Wimberley, Texas. Hey, Isabel. We heard she's been doing lots of wet felting with her mom and just having tons of fun. So we just wanted to pop in and say, keep having fun, keep creating and exploring, and we can't wait to see what you make. Now on to the joke. So what did the painter say to his girlfriend on Valentine's Day?
What did the painter tell his girlfriend on Valentine's Day?
I love you with all my art.
Oh,
Thanks so much, everybody. Now back to the show. See you next time.
Thank you so much, Kayla. We love how she just always keeps us chuckling, a little belly laugh here and there as well. And it is time for our segment, So Inspired. Our theme this week is love, 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 and anything that's really giftable. And you all have been making some delightful things that we think go really well with our very special deal this week that you will see. All of these little creations are so charming, not only perfect for Valentine's, but they can be very giftable at any time of year. So thank you everyone for these beautiful pieces of inspiration. Follow the link for today's show to see more about any of these tutorials that might fit some of these projects.
Hi friends! Today we're introducing our very special deal of a cobweb scarf. This is a wet felting tutorial and it comes in two videos, one longer and one shorter.
This is a great kit if you've never wet felted before. I'd say this is a great place to start.
This kit comes in multiple different colorways. It'll have your merino top, your decadence blends, and a few fun luster fibers.
The kit comes with printed instructions and all the wool that you need. You'll just need to get your own tools.
If you're just getting started wet felting, we have a lot of items on promotion this week, like
our Sari Party and Magic Carpet Ride, great for Nuno felting, and our Magic Carpet Ride Sari Ball. We have a tutorial on this one and we use it in a scarf.
we also have a great flower kit. This one is in the Gerber daisy that I'm wearing. And if you need any supplies, grab our wet felting starter kit and some basic supplies around your house, like a towel and a sponge.
Y'all listen, remember the Fairy Special Deals run Wednesday through Tuesday, so grab yours on sale before then.
Ooh, it's time for the love bomb.
Oh, I love this section. The love bomb this week is a beautiful wet felted vessel by Diane Bubos. Actually, I don't know how to say your last name correctly, but I do know that this is a pretty amazing vessel. What do you think, Jordan?
It's so pretty. I love all the extra additives and elements she put on top of it. Wow.
Man, this thing just really bubbled to the top for all of us when we were looking for a BFF creation to highlight this week. If you're interested in making a vessel like this, we have a free tutorial, and I know a ton of you have done it. I honestly don't know if she made this from the tutorial, but look at some of the things about this. One, it's beautifully finished, right?
Mm-hmm.
Gorgeous shape. She's done all that handwork and beadwork. Not to mention, she took such a great photo of it. We did our photo tips just last fall, and you see how beautifully placed this is, like right on that lower third line, and the back is sort of blurry. Beautiful lighting, fantastic photo of a fantastic piece.
Makes me want to buy it.
Yeah, it looks very giftable. If you saw that in an artisan show or gallery, you would be looking for the price tag because you'd want to buy it. Congratulations and great job, Diane. We love it. Thanks for the inspiration. We love showing and sharing your work. We've done it since the beginning. We put them in our newsletter all the time. And if you want to get featured and maybe win the love bomb, because everyone who gets featured on the show in a love bomb will win a little special something from the fairies, then make sure you tag us when you share your post. You can share it in the Facebook group, but definitely share it on your own Instagram and your own page. Just hashtag LivingFelt.
For this week's What the Felt, we have a special question from Mary Rice. She is having a little challenge and she would like to know, when you're needle felting with armature, how do you keep the armature from poking out of the wool, and how do you keep the needle from hitting that armature and bending and breaking?
Those are great questions. And you know what? We get asked about needle felting with armature all the time. And I want to tell you that it's possible. One, the dealing with the wire poking through is easy peasy, and it's absolutely possible to needle felt even little tiny things without bending or breaking your needle. So the first tip is, when you want to keep your wire from poking through, just give that wire a curl before you start wrapping it. And the next thing is, how do you prevent breaking or bowing, bending your needle? If you bend your needle, it's going to develop a bow and then it'll break. So the key is to needle felt at a very, very shallow angle and go almost parallel with the item. You don't want to go through or all the way through. Listen, we have some real up close video on helping you with this. So if you want to make a little project like this, maybe a tiny doll or a tiny gnome, make sure you subscribe and watch for an upcoming tutorial, because you're going to get the tips and the up close and personal to help you do that.
Fairy Emily here, back with your felting forecast. Coming up this Friday is our first Felting with Friends tutorial of 2025. We're going to show you how to make these darling iced sugar cookies, and we'll show you a couple of things that you can do with them, and also we'll teach you some great shading techniques that are going to make these cookies look tasty enough to eat. Looking ahead in our forecast, we've got some new classes coming to the Felting Tutorials online school. Up first is going to be this class with Laura Ricks. This is the one you guys have been waiting for. It's going to be a great class to teach you how to felt this beautiful waterfall landscape. Laura Ricks will give you all the tips and tricks you need. Be sure you're enrolled in our online school. It's free, and that way you'll receive an email notice with all of the information you need to get the early bird registration. You can look for Laura Rick's class in early March, and then a bit further into the forecast, we'll have Arena Agrova's classes coming in late March or perhaps early April. And that's going to be some free classes from her, as well as learning her techniques on glued felt and making those magical butterflies. We're so excited for what's ahead. That's all from me. Off I go.
Are y'all ready to draw a winner?
Yeah. I'm ready.
All right. Hey, you guys, we need to draw a winner from last week's show. Thank you for everyone for participating. Our Sheepy Shenanigans, answering our question, what is on your felting bucket list? And yeah, we're going to draw a winner right now.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Drum roll.
Drum roll.
Okay.
Put your name out. Okay, put a little heart on it. Okay, now just stay till the end and we're gonna announce who that winner is. So we're gonna draw some names. We're gonna read some of the things that y'all wrote because we love just hearing from you. Totally. Are y'all ready?
Ready.
Okay, everyone's gonna draw a couple names.
So Linda Calver says, on my bucket list, she is desperate to do spinning art yarn on her new spinning wheel.
Oh, fun.
And she says she loves watching Joyce spinning.
Oh,
I do
that's
too.
great. Me too.
So fun.
Karen Cott has a collection of over 90 houseplants and would like to learn how to felt some.
Oh, that seems pretty cool, huh?
Cool.
Yeah.
Joan says that she wants to do all the kits and classes that have kind of stockpiled up, and she wants to make a needle felted rectangular box.
Oh, good
That's
challenge.
super cool,
Good
yeah.
challenge.
Donna Connolly says, I want to create a tunic or clothing item with resist.
Yeah, that'd be a good one for the school with some of Charity's classes, for sure. Oh, I can't leave my glass on. All right, who do we have? I have Brenda Nelson, and she says she's hoping to do Laura Rick's next tutorial, which is going to be the waterfall landscape.
I'm
Coming
excited.
soon, almost, very soon. And her goal for 2025 is to do more 2D needle felting using some of the photos she's taken.
Awesome.
Oh, yeah.
That's such a great idea. I love
Yeah.
that. Okay. And I have Tiki, I think. Tiki? Tiki, I like it. Bucket list is to finish a seasonal project I work on before the actual holiday.
Good plan.
Annie loves Mimi. She would really like to tackle a 3D landscape, possibly a mountain waterfall scene.
That sounds crazy.
Wow.
So pretty.
Like a sculpture.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Monica says her goal is to make a mouse family that will have homes in the wall on my stairs landing.
That's the best. Like, I have real ones.
I want to see. You can make them holes.
Right, that's true.
I want to see that. I definitely want to see that.
Faye says they would like to make a lot more bowls, some birds, try a wet felt scarf, wet felt pillows. There's so much I want to do. I need to start writing it all down.
Yeah.
I'm so hooked on this and having a blast.
Oh, that's so
Halfway
fun
there,
to
she's got it
hear.
written down.
Okay. And I have Melissa Miller. She says on her 2025 bucket list is a trip to Scotland to see sheep and buy wool.
That
Y'all
sounds
wanna go?
amazing. I want to go. I'm in. We're in.
We're in. Okay, and who's our winner?
Winter time.
Winner. Drum roll. Winner is Kathy Brown.
Woo! Kathy.
Yay, Kathy! And Kathy says she would like to learn more fantasy dolls, different style dragons, and clothes for dolls.
Oh, super fun. Well, we can't wait to see what you make. Y'all, thank you all so much for participating, and participate again this week. More chances to win.
Woo!
Yay!
Yay!
Fairy Jordan here. For today's Sheepy Shenanigans, I have this giant bolt of Sweet Shop, one of the most beautiful decadence blends, right in time for Valentine's Day. And I want you guys to tell me in the comments below how much you think this weighs. We need the answers in ounces, but let's see. It's probably about 18 inches here. And just for an example, here's a 2 ounce and a 1 ounce. So in ounces, how much does this big mamma jamma of Sweet Shop Decadence Blend weigh? Post your guesses in the comments below. The person who first guesses the closest ounce to the closest ounce is going to be our winner, announced on next Wednesday's show. Good luck.
Thanks so much, Jordan. That was super fun. Y'all leave your guesses down below and make sure you check out the tutorial this week. We'll see you next time. Bye.
See you next time.
Woo!
Yay.
Yay!
Fun. Good job, y'all.
Yay! Hooray!